Welcome to vControl screencast number 3. In this video we show how to configure channels and devices. A channel represents the interface that is used to communicate with the device. In this example we show how to control 4 Pioneer professional DVD players, 4 Panasonic PDT 10000 beamers and 1 DMX box. Via the toolbar's channel button, we have access to the channel editor. The first thing is to select the correct interface type. Actually, you can choose between serial, TCP, UDP and SMTP. The first channel is for one of the DVD players that uses a serial RS-232 interface. Every channel needs a unique name, which has to be entered in the text field channel name. Then we have to select the COM port where the DVD player is connected to. The rest of the communication settings is OK for this device, so click the button Add Channel to create the new channel. To create the channels for DVD player 2, 3 and 4, proceed in the same way. There's one special thing concerning the Panasonic beamers. They have an RS-232 in and out, which allows us to loop the control signal to the next projector. Each projector is identified by a unique address. So we need only one channel to control these 4 devices. The last channel is for the DMX interface that uses a high baud rate. For now, the channels are complete and we can start to configure the devices. With the tool button Device, we get into the device setup. We find the DVD players in the category Players and Recorder. Devices are also searchable by their manufacturer's name. You can use the text box Type to search by the type label. Click Save Devices to save the device list. vControl sets the name of each new device automatically. To change the device name, we can use the device editor. The device editor is a very powerful tool to edit or create new devices. In this video, we only show how to change the device's name. To change a device name, select the device in the list and enter a new name in the name field. Click Update Device to make the changes permanent. When we are finished, we can close the device editor. Now, the new device names appear in the device list. The devices are still unusable because we didn't assign a channel yet. This can be done at the setup page. The list Available Channels lists all channels currently available in our system. To assign a channel, select it in the Available list and click the Add button. Going back to the commands page, we see that every device has at least one channel. To send a command direct to a device, select the channel, the command and press the Run button. The Acknowledge list shows the command response immediately. If we have an error in our communication settings or maybe our control cable has a wrong pinout, then the DVD player can't understand the command. In this case, we get a timeout error instead of an acknowledge. As explained before, the projectors can be controlled independently by using a unique address. But you can use the address 0 to talk to all projectors. Now we check the DMX interface. To send a fade command to a group of channels, we enter the channel list, separated by colons, in the channels field. The value determines the DMX value and time the fade time. If all devices working as expected, our setup is finished. Our next video tutorial shows how to program these devices. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.